Every day we learn one PCB fun fact. Today, we're diving into packaging. Today we talk about the last key process of PCB manufacturing, packaging. Unlike chip packaging, this refers to the final packing for delivery after all PCB manufacturing and quality inspection steps are done. It's the last line of defense for product quality, focusing on protecting finished PCBs from moisture, dust, and vibration damage during transportation. While facilitating customer warehousing and assembly, common forms include anti-static bags, trays, and vacuum packaging, depending on PCB precision and application scenarios. High-precision PCBs require professional anti-static and moisture-proof packaging to ensure optimal performance upon delivery. Doing this process well ensures the smooth delivery of high-quality PCBs and the progress of subsequent production.